Superheat SmartPak ensures every preheat, post-weld, and range of heat treatment applications is executed with uncompromising quality. Equipped with advanced component fault indicators and a cutting-edge traffic light system, our technology provides instant compliance cues to field staff and welders, enabling immediate corrective actions for flawless performance. But what truly sets Superheat SmartPak apart is its exclusive weld location and zone lockout feature. Unlike traditional systems that require an entire rig to be powered down to isolate a small work area or single zone within a complex wrapping setup, SmartPak allows you to lock out specific weld locations and zones. This means you can safely perform work without unnecessary downtime affecting other welds, improving productivity while maintaining the highest safety standards. With the Superheat SmartCard and integrated near-field communication, you gain direct control over safety and quality at the weld. As personalized smart cards are only given to trained and qualified personnel, you can trust that heat cycle starts and lockouts are only completed by certified individuals, minimizing the risk of electrocution and other hazards. Superheat SmartPak is more than just a tool. It's a revolution in heat treatment technology, saving you time, reducing costs, and elevating safety standards. Superheat SmartPak, intelligence at your workpiece. Contact us today to learn more.